I've been having problems at school because of my additional learning needs. My parents, teacher and I created an individual learning plan to help me learn, but I don't think it's working. My parents and I talked to the school, but they didn't agree, so I decided to talk to the local council instead.
You did the right thing. The local council will review your case, and if they don't agree with you, they may suggest that you contact the Special Educational Needs Tribunal for Wales to see if things can be sorted out at a tribunal hearing.
Sounds serious.
It does. But a tribunal hearing is basically a meeting with people who make decisions about the support you should be getting, and they'll tell your school or council if they have to make changes to help you. It's a place for you to have your say if you feel things are unfair.
What if I'm nervous and forget what I need to tell them?
You don't need to be nervous. At the beginning, you'll fill in a form with all the details and send it to the tribunal. All the important things that you're worried about forgetting will be written down on these forms. You will have a helper, officially called Case Friend, who will assist you with your case and prepare you for the hearing. They'll keep you up to date with what's happening and when.
Will it be in a courtroom, like where they have criminals and stuff?
No, not at all. The hearings are held normally in hotels to provide a friendly place that is neutral to you and the school. They don't want this to be a scary experience for you, and they want you to feel as comfortable as possible. That way, it'll be easier for you to explain how you're feeling about things at school.
Am I allowed to take someone with me?
Yes, of course. You can take anyone you think will be able to support you. When you get there, someone called a clerk will meet you. They'll be there throughout the day to explain to you what will be happening.
So, who are these people who will be deciding what support I need?
There's someone called a chairperson who is in charge of the meeting. They'll be asking the questions. Then, you have members of the educational panel who are experts in what the pupil needs at school to help them learn. They'll listen to what everyone has to say and will make a decision that everyone has to follow. There are people called respondents too. They are the ones who know about your situation, like someone from your school and the local council.
So what exactly is going to happen in the meeting?
Everybody there will get a chance to ask questions, including you. It can take a few hours to a full day, and you don't have to stay for the whole thing if you don't want to, but it's a good idea because it's all about you. You'll get breaks and anything else you need to support you on the day, so don't worry.
Will I get to know what they decide straight away?
No, they'll go away and consider everything, and then you'll get a letter through the post within 2 weeks telling you what their decision is. It will say one of 3 things: allowed, allowed in part, or dismissed. Allowed means that they agree with you, so the school and local council will have to make changes to help you learn. Allowed in part means that they agree with some of your points. This means the school and local council will have to make some changes. Dismissed means that they haven't agreed with you. This means the school and local council don't have to make any changes.
Thanks for explaining it all. I feel a bit better knowing what to expect.
No problem. And if you want any more information, then you can go to www.specialeducationalneedstribunal.gov.wales/children-and-young-people.